Hey Tom, this is Laura Martino, and this is my presentation on cyberbullying. I'm using Canva today. I think this is a fabulous presentational tool that I recently discovered. I'm sure you're familiar with it, but if for some reason you're not, it's definitely worth checking out. Anyways, a little bit about cyberbullying. We know it stems from jealousy and insecurity, powerlessness, emotional instability, attention-seeking behaviors, environmental influences, and previous experience of being bullied. So what is Hoffman Estates High School doing to help? Well, the first thing Hoffman Estates High School has put out is the School Safety Concern Form. And this is pretty great because it is accessible to parents, students, and community members. Some major benefits from using this reporting form is that anyone can report any type of bullying behavior, inappropriate behavior online, such as cyberbullying, and the report will be investigated within 24 hours. I think that this is a great option for students who are afraid to verbally speak out. And I also love that it's easily accessible on the school website. This was the first link that I popped up when I typed in Hoffman Estates High School and bullying. It's also right on our homepage as well, so it's easy for everyone to get to. Additionally, I found that Hoffman Estates High School offers some personal technology safety resources. I don't see our students accessing this as much, but I think that this would be a great place to direct parents who have concerns with their teens' technology use or technology abuse. I did glance through some of the articles. They seem to be research-based, and they have some pretty good tips for parents who want to limit or monitor their teens' technology use. I think the more that parents are aware of what their teens are doing online, the more we can prevent cyberbullying from happening. Moving forward, we also offer support groups and on-call counseling for our students. Students can make an appointment to meet with counselors, social workers, or one of our psychologists at any time. But additionally, we do have large team meetings as a school, like problem-solving meetings where we identify students who might be the target of bullying or possibly are having conflicts with other students that we've recently been made aware of, and we can recommend these students for specific support groups. In addition to that, support staff always have at least one person on call to meet students in crisis. So if something is happening online and a student is reacting to it in the middle of your class period, which has definitely happened before, they can meet with someone immediately. There will always be someone on call. All right, Hoffman Estates High School also put together something called Digital Citizenship Experience course modules. And all students are enrolled in Digital Citizenship Experience during the fall semester of freshman year. And this is actually 3 consecutive years of self-paced online digital citizenship materials. Each module takes approximately 20 to 25 minutes to complete, with the modules being made available to students at designated times of the school year. And if you look at the picture at the top left, you will see that digital responsibility and safe and ethical behavior, internet safety, that's all part of this digital citizenship. And students are motivated to complete digital citizenship because the farther along they get in the modules, actually, the more opportunities they have to download apps of their choice, and such as YouTube, and the more freedom they really have with their iPads. Overall, I think our school is doing a phenomenal job at keeping students safe online, and they're trying their best to prevent cyberbullying from happening. However, there are a few things that we probably could add to continue our efforts to prevent cyberbullying. That would be inviting parents to workshops specifically about technology abuse or cyberbullying. I think it's a great start having those resources available online to parents. However, a workshop would just really take it one step further. Additionally, I think it would be beneficial to train staff to look for signs of cyberbullying, to really note when our students are experiencing a change in behavior or withdrawing from class. I think that explicitly educating students on the matter would be helpful as well, possibly through a SOAR lesson, and then continuing to address the issue with students throughout the school year. So it's not just one SOAR lesson, but a SOAR lesson and a follow-up lesson and a check on that follow-up lesson throughout the year. And that is my presentation on cyberbullying. Thanks for listening.